Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to build a smart, automated to-do list in Excel that updates itself, no VBA, no stress. Okay, let's dive in. Start with a clean Excel sheet and enter these headers. Task ID, task name, due date, status, and overdue task. Now, let's create automatic task serial numbers. In the first cell of the task ID column, type equals sequence. Inside the function, use COUNTA. And select the task name column to count how many tasks exist, for example B2 to B100. Close the formula, and press enter. Now, as you add tasks one by one, Excel automatically generates the serial numbers for you, no dragging required. Next, enter the due date for each task. Now, select the status column. Go to the Data tab, then Data Validation. Set Allow to List. Go to Source, and type, Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Now every task status is controlled, and clean. No typing mistakes. Again, select Status cells. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. Set the rule, cell value to specific text, keep it containing, and type, Completed. Click Format. Go to the Fill tab, and choose Green Fill, and White Text. Click OK. All completed tasks turn green instantly. Repeat the same steps, conditional formatting, new rule. Format only cells that contain. Specific text, containing, and type, in progress. Click Format, set fill color to yellow. Click OK. Tasks in progress are now easy to spot. Again, conditional formatting, new rule. Format only cells that contain. Specific text, containing, type, not started. Click Format, then set fill color to red, and font to white. Click OK. Tasks not started stand out immediately. Now let's make Excel warn us before deadlines are missed. In the first data row of the overdue column, enter this formula. Type equals if, then use the in function. First select cell D2, and check that the status is not completed. Next, select cell C2, and check if the due date is earlier than today. If both conditions are true, Excel will display the text overdue. Otherwise, it will stay blank. Press enter, and done. Now, add Mini Dashboard. On the right side, add these labels, Total Tasks, Completed Tasks, and Pending Tasks. To calculate the total number of tasks, click on the cell where you want the result. Type equals COUNTA. Then select the task name column, from cell B2 to B16. This function counts all non-empty cells in that range. Since every task has a name, Excel returns the total number of tasks automatically. Press enter to get the total task count. To count how many tasks are completed, click on the results cell. Type equals COUNTIF. Select the status column, from cell D2 to D16. Then, inside quotes, type completed. Excel now counts only the tasks that are marked as completed. Press enter to see the completed task count. Next, let's calculate how many tasks are still pending. Click on the next results cell and type equals COUNTIF. Select the status column, from D2 to D16. This time, type not equal to completed inside quotes. Excel will now count every task that is not yet completed. Press enter to get the pending task total. Now, set borders. Align the text. Uncheck grid lines. These three numbers together create a mini dashboard. As soon as you change any task status, the numbers update automatically. Now, add a % data bar. First click a cell and type equals, completed task, divided by total tasks. Hit enter. Now, format the result as a percentage. Go to Home, % style. Hold Ctrl and select all the cells. Change the text font. Increase the font size. Now, pick your favorite color to make it stand out. Now, let's turn this percentage into a visual progress bar. First, select the percentage cell. Go to the Home tab, then click Conditional Formatting, choose New Rule, and select Data Bars. Set the minimum and maximum values to number. For minimum, enter 0. For maximum, enter 1. Next, choose a color. Green works best for progress. You can also add a border color to make the bar stand out. Click OK, and Excel instantly displays a progress bar based on the percentage. Notice that when the data bar reaches 53%, the number doesn't stand out clearly. That's because the green bar is dark, and the text is black. To fix this, go back to Conditional Formatting, and click New Rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. Set the rule to cell value, greater than or equal to, and enter 0.53, that represents 53%. Now click Format. Change the font color to white. And press OK. Let's test it. As soon as the percentage crosses 53%, the text becomes white and clearly visible. If this Excel automation saves you time, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for real-world Excel tips that boost productivity. Comment below, what do you want to automate next in Excel?